Well, this is the grand opening of Shits and Giggles in Rantoul. May 28th, 2021. No, that's not the mayor. Hey!
So exciting, it's not raining at all!
No.
It's not bad. But then we have a nice here. Morning.
This is awesome.
This is how we roll.
Okay, you go inside.
They are.
Yes, they are.
Wow.
She's going to pretend like she's
She already cut it, didn't she? Well, let's go in. Go that way.
No, there's more. You guys can come in.
Okay,
Yes, please.
we will.
Kids is here. Shelly's gone.
She passed the guy with the boat.
Yeah. A lot of people here. I haven't seen in a long time.
How are you?
Hi, Diane. Good. How are you?
Good to see you. Hey, Billy's up here actually.
Is he?
Somewhere in the back.
All right.
Where the beer's
Let's
at.
say-
Oh, he went forward. Oh, he's up there.
Okay, well, look.
The white-haired
Oh,
guy.
yeah, I see him.
There's Kim's in back. Look, I'll catch him.
Are they selling something?
There's Kim. No, I'm not cutting it yet.
Your dad's going to What are you talking about? Where's my margarita?
Okay, you are going to be on one. You are going to. All right. I got to talk to Roxanne.
She's taking pictures out front.
I saw her. Yeah, but I want to interview her and.
Okay, are you gonna pause it and then?
I can't.
You're just gonna let it run?
Yeah. Well, I'm going to
sorry,
walk.
too.
I'm going around to walk to.
Good. Okay, well then get everything.
There's a crew.
I think they're, well, yeah. They'll come get me. Did you see Shelby? Shelby Lynn. Shelby. From work, from radio station.
Oh, okay. Hi.
Good to see you. Oh, that's okay. I was gonna bring mine too. I was like, I'll just make a run for it.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Hello.
Are you YouTubing?
Yes. I don't know how long this has been in her mind to do, but she's really come through with a great store. I'm happy for her. She just had the ribbon cutting and
Yes, we did.
okay, this is for my YouTube channel.
Oh, wow.
Kim-
Hello, YouTube.
Kim's been telling me about all the things you've been doing. How long did this run over in your mind before you decided
Oh
to?
my gosh. Well, I started my first store on my mom's front porch when I was 9,
Oh wow!
which was literally
yeah.
right there down the road over the railroad tracks. I would walk to Ben Franklin
Okay, thank you.
and buy
Bye.
supplies to make stuff with my allowance. And then I would make stuff and I would invite strangers in off the street to buy stuff. And she said she would be making dinner in the kitchen and hear strangers' voices. And next thing you know, so there you go. It's been running through my mind since I was 9.
It's 9.
And now welcome.
Okay. Well, how long were you in this? You know, you started over here.
In July.
When did you decide to start the store itself?
He's doing an interview.
March. Well, it was probably February of 2020, in the middle of the, right when the pandemic started.
Oh my gosh.
I recognized that the one thing people were still doing was shopping. Nobody's going to stop shopping.
Right.
And shopping brings joy to people, and I wanted to create a space that people could put the weight of the world down for a little while.
Well, you have.
Thank you.
So,
Woo.
congratulations.
Thanks very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, it's called Shits and Giggles. And it's a different type of store. If you're interested, it's in Rantoul, Illinois. I'm sure Roxanne would love to have you stop by. That's all for now.